Hi everyone, Jordan with Kärcher. Excited to introduce to you today the newest member of our riding industrial sweeper platform. This is the KM 105/180. And as you can tell, it is smaller than some of our other units. So if you have a lot of congested areas, maybe you are in a distribution warehouse and you'll have a lot of material handling equipment or pallets, maybe you're in a light manufacturing facility and you have a lot of safety rails that you have to navigate in and out of. This unit is 41 inches wide in this configuration with one side room, and it will actually do nearly 55,000 square feet an hour of industrial sweeping. It also has very simple to understand lever controls. As far as the system, you can get on this guy, turn the key, lower one lever as far as the main broom and your side broom, and away you go. It's really that simple. So again, if you would like to see a demonstration, please contact your local area Kärcher distributor or your Kärcher manager and ask them about the new industrial KM 105/180 battery powered classic sweeper. As always, keep it clean.